What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Harry Maguire from Manchester United. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're starting from the very top. Just going to work our way down towards the bottom of our circle and then bring that back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top of that circle. And I want to bring that down towards the same height and then back up towards the top. Now we want to add a highlight circle on the top left side of each eye. So up against the edge of the eye, we draw a small circle coming in and then back out. And we'll line that up on the right side. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black going around that highlight. Now with the eyes in place, let's draw the brow along the inside. Starting from the top left eye, we're going to curve this down and just bend that up. Let's go over towards the right, and we can do the same thing. Now let's go in between the eyes, move down and draw the bottom edge of the nose with a curve. We're going to come down and then bend that up. Now step up and draw a short curve going up and down for the bridge of the nose. Let's leave a gap underneath the nose and draw the mouth. We're going to start over on the left. Curve the mouth coming down and then up, and we'll add a bracket on the corners of the mouth. Go back to the center, step down, and add another curve for the lower lip. Now from here we're going to move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside left eye, let's step out, curve the head coming down. Just going to bend that in towards the chin just underneath the mouth. Go across and then bring that up on the right side. Now from here we draw in the ears. Let's start from the left side, curve the ear going up, and down, and then back in towards the side of the head. Let's add the folds inside the ear, starting from the top left, bend this up and out. Let's go back to the inside and draw a hook, coming out and then back in. Now we want to work our way along the inside of the hairline. Let's start back on the left, bend this up, and then in, going around the eyes. And then from here, bend this out and in toward the top of the head. Now I'm going to sweep the hair over towards the left side. Let's start from the top right, bend this out, and then down towards the center of the head, and then taper that back up. Let's add another point, going across and then down, and bring that back up towards the top. Let's extend the hair going across this line. We go out, and then bend that down, go up, and then in. Now you want to layer the hair going up towards the top of the head. Let's step down, go out and down with another point, go up, and then in. Let's move back out, curl the hair going out and up, go across the top of the head, and then in. Now I'm going to add another point, curling this out towards the side, go across the top, and then down towards the right. Let's add another point, going up, all the way around towards the right side of the head. And add a few points along the side. Go up towards the right, and then back down. Let's add one more point, going out and down, and then bring that back in. Now we just want to close off the bottom on the right, curving this down, and then across. Let's add two lines along the side of the head. We're going to step out on the left. Just going to angle this down and in toward the top of the ear. Let's go over towards the right, just underneath this point. Angle this down and in. Now I'm going to move down and draw on the collar. Let's start over on the left side of the head, come down and up like a half circle. Let's trace this along the inside, along the top. Now you want to move out and draw the side of the body. Let's start over on the left, bend this out, and then down towards the hip, go to the right, do the same thing. Now you want to connect the hips with a curve, coming down the middle, and then back up. Let's go to the center of the body, step down at a curve, going up and down. And we'll leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, going out and down toward the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now from here we want to curve the bottom of the feet. Let's start from the left heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up on the outside. Let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the foot and curve this up. Now I want to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we'll bend that back up towards the inside of the leg. Let's go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. Bend this out and then down on top of the feet. Now you want to add a thick sole along the bottom of the feet, so we're going to take this curve, step up from the toe, and just trace that in towards the heel, and then on the right, from heel to toe. Now I want to go back up to the top and separate the bottom of the shorts, curving this down, and then up on the inside, and line that up on the right. Let's step down, draw that same curve for the top edge of the socks, and we'll add a thin stripe along the top with that same curve. Let's add a stripe on the side of the shorts. From the hip, step in, just follow the curve of the leg coming all the way down towards the bottom edge of the shorts. And now on the bottom right, we're just going to draw the number 5, starting along the top and then coming in. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the inside edge of the arms, starting halfway between the chin and the hip. So we'll start right here, bend the arm going out and down towards the wrist, and line that up on the right side. From the wrist, let's draw a small half circle for the thumb, close off the end with a bracket. Now we want to add 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, and come down, and then bend that up around the bracket, step down, go out, and then up. And then the 3rd finger, we're going to go out, bend the arm coming up and in underneath the head. Let's do the same thing on the right, starting underneath the thumb with the 1st finger, step down, draw the 2nd finger, and then the 3rd, going up and in. Now from the inside of the arm along the top, we want to step down at a curve, going up and out for the sleeve. And we'll step up and draw that same curve for the trim. Now we're going to add a band across the right arm. Stepping up, just draw that same curve. Let's add a stripe on the side of the arms. Start from the top left, step in, follow that curve coming down towards that trim. And we'll add a simple triangle on the top left, come down the sides, close off the bottom. Let's add a simple crest over on the right side, starting with a straight line, and we'll bend this down and in towards a center point. Now we want to add a basic Chevrolet symbol in the center of the body. We'll start along the top with a straight line, and down the sides, and go out towards the left and right. From the end, we're just going to angle this down towards the left, come in towards the inside. Now I want to take this top section and just flip it over. So coming down the side, and close off the bottom. Let's trace the symbol along the inside, going all the way around. And we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a drawing of Harry Maguire. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you smash that like button because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And you might also want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.